How to transfer your posts to WordPress on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your posts to WordPress on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and now just go down here until you find transfer a copy of your information, and now click next. And here you will find WordPress, click on it. And if you want to transfer only your posts, just go down and go to notes and click none, and then next. Now just connect your Facebook with WordPress. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.